The Wellcome Book Prize is a £25,000 prize for medicine in literature over the year, and that's literature meaning fiction and non-fiction.
The Wellcome Book Prize essentially is about celebrating the interface between medicine and literature in the broader sense.
It's how medicine impinges upon literature and literature on medicine.
Medicine and literature is quite a difficult thing to nail down. I think they're really talking about biosciences and medical biology, anything that really has any aspect of medicine. So that can be particular diagnostics, it can be an analysis of somebody's life, it could be the story of a surgeon's career, it can be historical, or in the literary sense, it could be anything that touches on an epidemic of cholera to the particular analysis of a small microsystem. So it can cover the whole waterfront.
There have been some wonderful descriptions of the challenge of medicine and the experience of ill health in the literature. And this is the kind of thing we want to celebrate and also to identify and to encourage.
Medicine is an important theme in fiction and in non-fiction because it touches every aspect of our life, our death. It is womb to tomb, it is cradle to grave. We all have medical aspects to us, how our health, our longevity, our aspirations, our mental well-being.
If I had a model in my mind of the supreme example of medicine literature, it would be Thomas Mann's The Magic Mountain. This is an extraordinary, wonderful, moving story of a man who goes to visit his brother in a sanatorium, but it gives Thomas Mann an opportunity to meditate on contemporary science and on the human body, on all the ills that the flesh is heir to. And that's the kind of benchmark, if you like, for greatness in the area of medicine and literature.
Historically, and if you could take the pick from the past, you could do everything from Love in a Time of Cholera to a Curious Incident of a Dog in the Night to something like Richard Dawkins' The Selfish Gene. They're all different aspects of this.
I think this prize is incredibly exciting because it recognises and it celebrates the intermingling, if you like, of the two cultures C.P. Snow talked about in the post-war era, the intermingling of science, bioscience and the humanities.
I've always had the belief that one of the great tragedies in our collective discourse with ourselves is that we do not communicate across the divide between the two cultures. And it seems to me that books that try and represent medicine and biomedical science in the broadest sense in fictional terms and non-fiction books that try and bring literary merit to the description of science, biomedical science and so on, must be important means of helping us to cross this divide, which cannot be helpful to us in a world where science and medical science is so important in everyday life.